Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I am fueling my crypto mining addiction yet again. I have bought some GPUs and they are in these two boxes right here. I got them from a mod and he gave me a good deal, which I'll talk about the price later on. And I'm also going to open a package that was just sent to me. I have no idea who sent it to me. There is no name on it. So to begin this crypto mining addiction episode, I bought some mining motherboards. You guys probably saw me talk about the Zotac B150 mining motherboard, and I saw these on Amazon.ca. So I bought 3 more. They're about $65 Canadian. So I said, why not? I bought 3 more because they seem to be awesome. I'm going to be using these Zotac B150 motherboards in these 3 Rosewell server cases here. And this is specifically the L4000B Rosewell mining case. Okay, so I actually have 2 more down here. I haven't opened them yet. They were a really good deal. I got them for $50 Canadian on Amazon.ca. So I think that's about $35 USD. So really good deal. I'll have videos for those down the road. And yeah, I don't know what kind of GPUs I'm going to populate in these Rosewell cases, but I have 3 motherboards already ready. I have the processors, I have the RAM, I have the hard drives already. Actually, I just need power supplies to fill in these server cases, so I'll have to figure that out later. Anyways guys, let's begin unboxing what I have here. I'm going to start off with this little guy right here. So initially I thought this was a package that I ordered off Amazon, and I opened it and I'm like, what? I didn't order this CRKT. So somebody sent me this knife here. Look at this thing. This thing is boss. This is such a nice knife. It's like some desert style knife. And how to open it is through this thing here, or you can do it manually by pulling this part here. But you can just go like this and it opens. It's not a full automatic knife, but it's like semi-automatic. And yeah, this is a pretty sick looking knife. I really like this. And so to put the blade back in, you have to press this red button, and then you have to go with this little notch in the center here and then push with your index finger, and you're able to close the knife like this. Normally I'd be able to do it with 2 hands, but since I'm holding the camera, I wouldn't recommend doing it with 1 hand, just to be safe. But yeah, this is a nice knife. I'll be using this with unboxing, so thank you so much to whoever sent me this knife. Here's the model number right here in case you guys want to see. That is awesome. Now the next package is another one that has no name as well. Let me go ahead and rip this apart here. Let me 1 sec. Alright, what do we have here? What is this? Okay. Man, you guys weren't kidding. In the last unboxing episodes, you guys were laughing at me. So, someone else bought me another knife. Are you guys kidding me? Folding utility knife. Okay, this is, wow, I like it's red too. Matches my brand, and oh my god, that is hilarious. I think there might be something else in this bag. Let me just check. Yeah, there's some paper in here. Let me just see. 1 second. There's a little note here. Okay, thanks for inspiring me to get me to start mining. Here's something to help with the unboxing videos. Keep up the great work, from SGR Mining. Oh my god, that is amazing. SGR Mining, hey, thank you so much, man, for the knife. So I have 2 knives now. That is actually really funny. Wow, SGR Mining, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. And to whoever sent me this one, I really appreciate it as well. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Wow, that's incredible. You guys are sending me knives, so I don't have to use the PCIe to M.2 adapter to open boxes anymore. That's funny. Okay guys, let's get started on the next unboxing here. And these 2 boxes here I got from one of my mods. I'm not gonna name his name because I don't want people to message him like crazy. He gave me a really good deal on these GPUs. So let's go ahead and let me cut this box with this amazing CRKT knife here. And you know what? I will take out the other knife, and SGR Mining, I will use that on the second box down there. I gotta be really careful when I use this knife and while I'm holding my camera at the same time. This is this is really sharp. Okay, I'm gonna put that, actually no, I have to put it back in its thing very carefully with 1 hand. There we go. Alright. Okay, let's see. What did we get here? Alright, we got nice packaging. We see an RTX symbol here. Okay. Alrighty, we got an MSI RTX Ventus. This is the 2070, RTX 2070 Ventus GPU. Oh man, this is so sick. Okay, so that's the first one. I'm just gonna make a pile right down here. We got a second MSI Ventus one here, and this is another, yeah, 2070. Actually, this looks like a different box from this one. Let's just compare here. Yeah, that looks a little bit different. Are they the same? I think they're the same. Let me just check the back if it's different. Actually, no, the back looks the same as the other one here. Okay, so, well, I guess we'll see once I open the GPUs up. All right, so that looks like that's the first box, nothing else in there. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the knife here. Give me 1 sec, need 2 hands for this. Okay, SGR Mining, thank you again for the knife, my friend, and this is pretty sick. Look at this thing. It's another like semi-automatic knife here. So this is probably a really good unboxing knife here. So let me just take this part out here. And now we can go ahead and open up this second box here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So smooth, super, super smooth. Okay, that is good. I'm gonna put that right there. And let's open up the second box here. You guys probably know what I'm getting here. I have talked about it before in previous videos. So, looks to be good packaging. Thank you, my mod. Okay, yeah, more MSI RTX 2070s. So there is, looks like there's 6 here. So you guys probably are able to count 8 of these here. And you guys may be wondering, what am I gonna do with these 8 RTX 2070s? And I'm gonna be utilizing the 8 in this mineshop.eu server case. Okay, you guys can see that right there. So I'll have that in the video coming up real soon. I'm gonna unbox all these GPUs and we're gonna put them into the 8 GPU mining case right there. Oh man, I cannot wait. This is so sick. To my mod who's watching this right now, thank you so much for sending these to me. If you guys want to know how much I bought these for, he gave me a deal. He sold them to me for about $200 each USD, all right? 200 USD for each of these RTX 2070s. So I think that was a pretty awesome deal he gave me. I couldn't pass it up. I said, you know what? Let's fuel my crypto mining addiction even more. I don't even have the power capacity to run these GPUs in my crypto mining basement anyway, but I will soon in another location, which there'll be a video hopefully coming up real soon for that. Let's just take an RTX 2070 out from the box here. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, that's sick. Nice. Oh, look at this, guys. Okay, here it is. MSI Ventus RTX 2070 has 1 8-pin. So that will be really good. Hopefully, yeah, in the Minebox 8, I think there's only 8 by 8 pins anyway. So that will fit perfectly with these RTX 2070s. And yeah, check this out, guys. I think this GPU looks pretty good. My mod said that these are really good in temperature, and these are able to mine a lot of different coins, obviously, because they're NVIDIA cards. So yeah, look at that, guys. That should fit perfectly in the Minebox 8 server case there. So yeah, that'll be in another video coming up real soon. Okay, that is awesome, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the MSI RTX 2070s and what I should be able to mine with them, and if you think I got a good deal or not. Let me know down below. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to keep it short and sweet. Let me know your thoughts down below. Fueling my crypto mining addiction yet again for buying more GPUs and unboxing some neat little gifts here from a couple people. SGR Mining, thank you again for the knife, my friend, and also the anonymous sender of this CRKT knife here. You guys are crazy. I don't need 2 knives, but I guess it's all right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.